For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Congress has levelled major allegations on the BJP, claiming that the latter hired 3 Chinese companies during the Lok Sabha elections, a decision that the Congress claim might have compromised user data. The spokesperson of the Congress party, Pawan Khera, alleged that the BJP hired UC Web Mobile in 2019 to run the campaign. UC Web Mobile got banned in July this year. According to the expenditure report submitted by the BJP to the Election Commission, the BJP, hired this company in 2019 to run their campaign. It is the same Alibaba-owned company, UC Web Browser, which was also red flagged by the Modi government in 2017 for sending crucial data of Indians to China. What was the compulsion of involving the same company for elections which you had red flagged 2 years ago? Pawan Khera also alleged that one of the directors of a Chinese firm is also a director in 10C India Private Limited. There is another company called Gamma Ghana Limited. Po Shu Yong, one of the directors of this company, is also the director in 10C India Private Limited. Gamma Ghana Limited is funded by Tencent of China. Last month, the government banned it, saying the company was directly connected with the People's Liberation Army. This company too was used by the BJP in 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Congress Khera further alleged that ShareIt app that was banned in July was also hired by the BJP during the Lok Sabha elections. Khera questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi as to why the party hired the Chinese firm. We wish to ask some direct questions to the Prime Minister. Why did your party take the help of China in the Lok Sabha elections? In doing so, why did you give away vital data of Indian citizens to China? Why did you compromise the data security and privacy of crores of Indians by involving Chinese companies linked to the PLA? While Pawan Khera alleged that the BJP hired Chinese firms, veteran Congressman P. Chidambaram has claimed that there is a Chinese mole in the Indian Defence Ministry. Chidambaram added that there might be a conspiracy to oust the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh from his post. Someone is out to get Rajnath Singh out of the Defence Ministry. Otherwise, why would the Defence Ministry website put out the truth about the Chinese aggression and occupation of Indian territory? I suspect there is a Chinese mole in the Defence Ministry. Chidambaram's statement comes as a reaction to a document that was released on the website of the Defence Ministry that acknowledged Chinese intrusions in Ladakh in May. In a surprise, the document was deleted from the website 2 days after it was released. The document acknowledged Chinese intrusion but used a euphemism for the word transgression. The BJP is yet to respond to the allegations levelled by the Congress.